What up, guys? What up, everyone? Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, you contact me. Put it in a block. You know, me love block already. All right. It said, look at the number given in the box below. Use it to answer items. Question 1 to 3. So you're gonna use it for 1 to 3. Which of the following is a number written in words? Is it A, 1706? B, 1076, or C, 1076. Oh, 176 for the last one. Sorry. So I'll go on the comment section. Hope everybody good. All right, let's go. So A says, which of the following number is written in words? Now this is 1076. So let's see. This is 1706. No, this one is off. 1076. Yeah, this one can work. This one's a 176. That could not work. All right. Let's move on to 2. What is the value of the digit 0 in the number? All right. So the number is 1076. 1076. It's in the hundreds place. Right. So let's go. So it says 0 ones, 0 tens, or 0 hundreds. So this one would be 0 hundreds. Let's move on to number 3. It says from 1 to 3, right? It says, what is the number rounded to the nearest tens? Now the number is 1076. What is that number rounded to the nearest tens? Let me go back up to the number so you can see. What number raised to the nearest tens? So it's 1076. Remember, they said that this is for 3 numbers, for 3 questions rather, from 1 to 3. So it's the same number they're referring to. And they say, what is a number rounded to the nearest tens? So I'll go in the comment section. Lexi said B. Lexi, you have to put the number beside it. Good afternoon, Lexi. Sure improvement, what go on? All right, so if it's gonna be 76, guys, it's either, if you're going up by 10, right? That's what it means when it said tens. So if it's actually closer to this because it only needs 4, so it would have been B. So 3 is B. Let's move on to number 4. Which number is between 3,425 and 3,436? Yulan, big up yourself, big up yourself. Much love. So guys, look at this one. Which number is between 3,425 and 3,436? Is it A, 3,438, B, 3,421, or C, 3,432? What's the answer for number 4? Big up yourself, James Williams. Guys, remember to put the number beside it, right? So number 4, if you think is A, you put 4A. If you think is B, you put 4B. If you think is C, you put 4B. All right. Someone, Xavier Pino. Oh, my student that you know, I go on Xavier. Big up Zaire, Xavier. All right, and my student that. Agree, Xavier. Good job, good job. So it's a which number is between that? And of course, that would have been C. Now this one pass it, right? Because see it, you have 38. That means it pass it. This don't reach it yet because it's 21. And they say between. So yeah, I agree. 4,340. Somebody say explain the question, please. It is saying which number is between these two numbers. The number is, I'm not sure if you're seeing it, but it's 3,425 and 3,436. Which number, like when you're counting, it would fall between these numbers. All right, James? All right, yeah. All right, let's move on to number 5. Which number represent fifth? Which number represent fifth? Is it A, B, C? Which number represent fifth? So that's number 5 we at now, guys. Let's go, let's go. Type in the answer. Remember, if it's A, you put 5A. Don't just put the letter alone. Which number represent fifth? Which number represent fifth? Which number represent fifth? Wow. I'm not convinced I'll be doing it, guys. Which number represent fifth? Now this is fifth, like as in the date, but this is 1/5. I think me that's the C for number 5, do you know? Because it's a number. All right, I'll go with B. Because I never say 1/5. But I think it could be this as well, you know. All right, number 6. There are 10 circles in the box below. What fraction of the circle is shaded? What fraction of the circle is shaded? Let's small it up a bit so you guys can see all the options. Or I can go up a little more. Is it 1/2, 1/5, or 1/10? So I'll go on my comment section. Yeah, James, me think a 1/5 for true. For the other one, for number 5. For this one, it says there are 10 circles in the box below. What fraction of the circle is shaded? Now, we have a total of 10. They told us that it was 10. And out of the 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is shaded. So it would be a half when I break down the fraction. So it's a half, not 1/5 for this one. Number 7, but I didn't see number 6. Oh yeah, we did. Number 7, which number represents 170 on the number line? Which number represents 170 on the number line? Is it P, Q, R, or... Well, that's it. Which number represents 170 on the number line? All right, we're at number 7 now, guys. Let's go. What's the answer for number 7? What letter represents 170 on the number line? Is it P, Q, or R? All right, I agree that it's Q. I think they're going up by 10, so this would be 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So that would have been Q. So if you say number 7 is P, I agree. Pinnock and Lexi J and Sure Improvement. Only 3 persons got that. The cards below are number cards in order from 1 to 10. Use the card to answer questions 8 and 9. So it says use it for questions 8 and 9. Which of the following could be said about all the numbers that do not have a star and them? A, they are even numbers from 1 to 10. They are odd numbers from 1 to 10. They are, let me see. Last one said they are counting numbers from 1 to 10. Examine the number, guys, and answer number 8. In order from 1 to 10, use the cards to answer question 8 and 9. Number 8 says, which of the following could be said about the stars, the cards that do not have the star on them? All right, somebody say B for 8. One person answer, and that's Pinnock. Lexi J as well. So B. Come on, guys, let's go, let's go. Only 2 person. Guys, all you have to do, look at the numbers that don't have the star on them. Shan say B as well. Shan, you have to put the number, so we know number 8 here at all. Alright, so basically we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These are all odd numbers, so yeah, I agree, it would be B. Let's move on to number 9. Some cards have a star on them. Which number would all of these cards be divisible by? Which card, which of the first? No. Look at it again, guys. It says all of them with the star on it is divisible by a number. What number would you say they are divisible by? Is it 2, 3, or 5? So we're on to number 9 now. All right. So show improvement, say 9 is that. Okay, thanks. Somebody said the people love B. All right, I agree, right? So these numbers are 2, 4, 6, and 8. All of them can be divided by 2. So they are said to be divisible by 2. Let's move on to number 10. Which number would come next in the pattern? Which number would come next in the pattern? 5, 10, 15. What comes next? Which number would come next in the pattern? So 5, 10, 15. Everybody should know that one. Let's see what you guys choose. 20. Very good. They're going up by 5. Everyone should know that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So at number 11, right? 3 sets of children are shown below. Use them to answer number 11 to 13. Let's go. Number 11 says, which set has the least number of children? Which set has the least number of children? Is it set 1, set 2, set 3, or set... That's the only set, right? All right. Xavier, you pick your one already. What about the others? Which set has the least number of children? Somebody says set 1. Actually, I agree with Xavier. This one has 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 5, and this one has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I agree that it is actually set 3. So for number 11, I would go with C. All right. Which set has an even number of children? And of course, What you guys see for number 12? Let's go, guys. What's for number 12? All right, set 3 again. So that's A. Which two sets have the same number of children? Which two sets have the same number of children? And that would be set 1 and set 2. Very easy. All right, let's go. Both of them has 5. Let's move on to 14 now. Can big it up, but which of the following is listed in ascending order? Which of the following is listed in ascending order? Which of the following set Which of the following is listed in ascending order? Is it A, B, C, or D? All right. Thanks, Pinocchio. I see your answer for number 14. Only Pinocchio answer number 14. What's happening, guys? Let's go. Let's go. Somebody said A. All right, let me tell you what ascending mean, guys. Ascending mean from the smallest to the largest. All right. So let's look at the numbers. We have 353. We have 357 and 361. So the largest one, the smallest one would have been 353, 357, and 361. So that would have been B. A coin is shown below. Use it to answer item 15 and 16. What's the value of this coin? Is it a $5, a $10, or a $20? Susan and Jolisa, you have to put the number beside it. You have to put the number beside it, all right? Man United losing to Tottenham in other news. 1-0 down. What? Man United never win that, and then that's what they say. Tottenham get the trophy for the first time in their history. All right, so this would be a $20 coin, right? So 15 would be C. Very good. All right, which of the following has the same value as the coin above? Is it A, B, or C? That's the answer for 16, guys. 16. Susan says 16. And slain body, you have to put the number. What kind of name that? What kind of name that? Slain body. All right, I agree that it's A because guess what? The value is $20 and you have two $10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So that would have been E. Let's move on to number 17. All right, look at the number, look at the information given in the oval below. Use it to answer question 17. 4 is dot dot. Which number could replace the blue box? Which number could replace the blue box to make that correct for number 17? Come on, guys, let's go. Pinnock said C. Slain Body says C. Why you have that name there? Hey, Body, why you have that name? Is that adult something that, right? All right. So, Pinnock, you go on, I think you get all correct so far. Let's see if I can get up to 20 correct. So 4 is less than 5, right? So that would have been C. Correct. Good job. Good job. Let's move on to number 18 now. Which of the following represent 5 quarters? Which of the following represent 5 quarters? Three minutes to go before Manu can save the season. Oh, he's your mom. All right. Me figure. All right. You have to go create your own YouTube. Something, mom. Create your own. You ask mommy permission to create your own something. Four-fifths. Which of the following represent 5 quarters? All right. 2 minutes for Manu to save their season. All right. So 18 would be B. Good job, guys. Good job. 18 would be B, and that's 5/4. Let's move on to number 19. The chocolate bar is shown below. The portion of a chocolate bar eaten by Bev, Roy, and Pat are also given. Use this information to answer item. Bev ate a quarter, Roy ate a half, and Pat ate 6. Who ate the largest portion? Who ate the largest portion? You can skip over to 20. The diagram shows 4 children standing in line for ice cream. Rita left the line. Who is now in the second in the line? I'm seeing Roy, I'm seeing Joy, I'm seeing Pat, I'm seeing Jay. Who ate the largest portion? Over, it's over. Man United has lost the match. They lost 1-0 to Tottenham. All right, guys. So a half would be the largest. All right, the one with the greatest. All right, let me show you guys. So a half plus a quarter. Let me not put plus. We could just make the LCM be 12 and see the value. This value would be 6. This value would be 3, and this value would be 2. So 6 is the largest, all right? So it's like ranking the fractions. So Roy would be our answer. And for this one now, this is the last one, guys, because I have to go. It says Rita left the line. Who is now in second? And of course, if Rita step out, we now have J in second. All right, so that would have been J. Assuming, well, this to the ice cream, right? All right, guys. So thank you guys so much. Those persons who want to be a part of my summer class, this is my number. All right. I got so many calls from so many young students. I'm so happy that you guys are watching my channel. Big up to all the young grade 3 and grade 4 and grade 5 and stuff like that. Oh, guys, may I have something more from my number. It's actually 549-2161. So this is my number. If you want to be a part of my summer class, especially if you're going overseas, guys, and you won't be able to have summer school at your school, you can do summer school with Mr. Bennett online. All right. Xavier Pinnock is one of my students. He got all correct. So big up Javier. I'll see you in class tomorrow at the marathon. Oh guys, marathon going on, grade 5 marathon going on right now. Grade 4 and 5, your marathon is going on right now. So you guys can definitely check that out. Alright. So guys, the next minute out, no doubt. So see you guys in another video. Big up to all who support me. Much love, guys.